Hi, I'm Lori Freitag and I work for Revision Effects, and we're here today at NAB and I'm on the Dell Technologies booth and I'm working on this Dell Pro Max T2 and this awesome 6K 52-inch monitor. So I did a demo utilizing a lot of our plugins. We create plugins, so these are all of our plugins, and we work in all of these applications. So I'm just going to show you a couple of them for today. I made this demo. I just was recently in Japan, and I had all this footage, and it had a lot of issues that luckily our plugins saved all my footage, because otherwise I wouldn't have been able to use it. So here's a good example. This shot here, starting with that, you can see we have a lot of flicker. So in this case, I used our DEFlicker high-speed plugin. Sorry, I used our DEFlicker high-speed plugin, and I was able to change the total number of frames to 3 because the issue was on a pattern of 3. And then I got the result here. So if I play this back now, you can see that we got rid of all the flicker. So this is a good example of our DEFlicker plugin. And then let's just take a look at another one here. So this shot, I used our ReelSmart Motion Blur plugin, which I just went in and basically, if you see the difference here, I just added the plugin and then you can adjust the amount, and then I got this result here. So here it is with the motion blur. And that's a quick overview of a few of our plugins. And you can find us at revisioneffects.com and download and try any of our plugins for free. So thank you.